I'm going to read out two examples of introduction. Let's start with Marie. Salut, je m'appelle Marie, j'habite à Paris en France, je parle français. Now let's know Jaya. Jaya says, Salut, je m'appelle Jaya, j'habite à Delhi en Inde, je parle hindi. Now it's your turn to read their presentations. Go ahead and read them aloud.
I hope that you read the presentations. Please remember, repetition is the most effective way of learning a language. So repeat what you read, repeat what you hear. That will help you learn the language better. Now let's focus on the vocabulary learned in this video. Je parle français, anglais, hindi, japonais, népalais, chinois, allemand, italien, espagnol. If you do not know the meanings of any one of these languages, please feel free to consult a dictionary.
It's grammar time. Read the rules.
Hey, it's your turn now to introduce yourself. Read out the sentences highlighted in blue, followed by your information, and you will be able to introduce yourself in French. Bravo! Super! Tu parles français. You're already speaking French. If you like learning French with me, do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, could I ask you to please share my videos with people you know who are interested in learning French? Please do that for me. Thank you very much. I'll see you later. Bye bye.